Hi kids, welcome to the class. Let's learn how to write the letter M. To write uppercase M or big M, start at the top and make a line down. Go back to the top and make a line down to the right. Next, make a line up to the right. Now, make one more line down to the bottom. Let's try it again. Down. Down to the right. Up to the right. Down. That's the letter M. Now why don't you try? Great job! Now we're going to write the lowercase m or small m. Start in the middle and make a line down. Next, go back up to the middle and go around to the bottom. Now, go back up to the middle again and around to the bottom. Let's try that again. Down, up and around to the bottom, up and around to the bottom. Excellent! Now check if you did it right. Well done! Now you know how to write the letter M. Next, let's see what words start with the letter M. M for monkey. M for mango. M for moon. Say it again with me. Monkey. Mango. Moon. Good job! For our next video on how to write the letter N, subscribe to EllieFun.